our goal is to avoid being crushed on that rock. I don't know if you can see, but there is a boat here in the background. And it's called a bangkal boat. Basically, it is a traditional Filipino boat. Today, we're gonna go and try it out for ourselves, see how easy it is, and hopefully, if we can make it work, we're gonna be exploring the islands around here that look amazing. So it is now 10,000 degrees. We picked up the best time of the day, which is basically midday when it's the hottest. We're gonna go in the water. It's also low tide. It looks amazing. If you haven't watched the previous episodes on, well, basically the island tour and where we are right now, highly recommend, because this is so unique here. Look at that place. It's incredible. So right now we're gonna go pick up the boat that's over there. And we're gonna go explore. We don't really know how to make it work. If you're Filipino, have you ever tried one of those boats? Let me know in the comments, I'm super curious. And when I say try, I mean, have you ever tried to direct it and paddle with it? Here's the boat, that's the big one, that's not the one we're taking. We're taking the small guy over here. Look at that, this looks so cool. 2 paddles inside, a little thing to scoop out the water. Anna, are you ready?
My first time like on a real paddle boat. So.
First time? We don't know how it's gonna work. Hopefully we're not gonna capsize with the waves. They're pretty big. No, I'm kidding, they're tiny. There's nothing. First step is scooping out the water that is inside. We also had to put something, there was a little hole that was open. And now it's adventure time. How do you like your Filipino drivers?
They're pretty good. My chauffeurs. Are they tanning nude?
They're the French people that just moved next door. Look at that, guys. This is where we stay.
Yeah.
Alright, Juju, to the right. Which right? The right.
How do you say right?
So the question is, guys, if you're Filipino, what is your Filipino song when you're paddling? Do you have something? Every country has one. What's yours?
What's France's?
On pagaie, oh, mais où sont les pagaies? Oh, Juju, we're gonna crash. Oh. So we capsized. Make it back in now. We've got 2 people on the kayak. It looks like I can only go in straight lines right now. Super difficult to turn. That boat is awful to control, guys. Look at that. I'm trying to escape being crushed by the waves again. Easy, not easy. The boat barely went tilted and then poof. Let's try again. The fun fact is that when I started this video, I thought that's gonna be really easy. Actually, it's not easy at all. It's so difficult to turn. Oh, we're going to the beach over there. Watch out where you're going.
Sorry.
Allez, pagaille, au lieu de discuter là.
Almost there, keep going, Anna. Gonna make it. Look at that. Alright, so we made it to our desert beach, virgin beach. Look at that, there is absolutely no one here. Now for some reason, Juju has decided to go up the coconut tree. Alright, Juju is trying to get the coconut basically, in case you didn't get it. Whoa! Coconut! It's open! Quick! Oh! We lost the juice, Julian! We need one more!
I think that down there, that one, it's a little tall, but
This one is more scary.
Or what about this one? That
Be
one?
careful, don't go in there because I checked this one.
An ocean on the beach. And you can see the teeth of the urchin right here. That's the skeleton. You see, it's all dead. Everything's like gone.
Can you crack it open?
That's... Sure. Oh, it's pretty strong, huh? Look. Smell? You see?
That's crazy.
Smell it.
Ew, 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 ew,
Dead urchin. Vegan just killed an urchin. Oh my god! Oh my god, this is terrible. I can't speak to her anymore, Julian. Oh, let's leave her on the island. Oh, you can make music with that. Go. Works pretty well, huh? I don't know if you can see, but there is a storm arriving in the horizon. We're gonna get hit by it again, one more time. Storm life in the Philippines. So I think we're gonna have to go back slowly. Plus, it's lunchtime now. Let's go back, guys. It's not a good time now. It's windy. Storm! Let's go! Come on, let's make it through the wind. None of this was planned. It was not expected. Look at Julie over there. Obviously this had to happen when Julian is here. We always have like some kind of adventures like that. There are a few fishermen here also in the water. They're spear fishing right now. But our goal is to avoid being crushed on that rock. So we have to keep paddling. Let's go. If we're not two people doing it, it's like this thing is not moving. That's why this guy has an engine. Good news, guys. Slowly making it back. You can see the shore. Woo! Good job, Anna! We're gonna be on time for lunch. Oh, over there. Still making it, but they should not go there because this is the reef. So, have to go straight. We're right. This is not our beach. This is our beach. We are on the reef now. Woo! Goal is not to step on the North Sea now.
So low tide. Look. Crazy.
Well, that was Filipino kayak adventures.
It's crazy though. It was like downpouring. We were like in the ocean, just like paddling our asses up. Oh.
Well, because it was like 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes it was sunny.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden I'm like, oh man, where are they? I was so worried.
Yeah,
And you guys were behind.
And then the whole sky was just a huge cloud, and we were like, it's bad.
Were you worried that the kayak was gonna go down?
Kind of. I mean, we capsized.
You capsized?
On our way out
No.
before it was even storming.
Wait, did you capsize with that boat or the kayak? Alright, okay.
Yeah. It wasn't the most seamless of operations.
You're back safe on land.
Whoa, this is heavy.
Now it's sunny. What the f?
We are back and we don't really know what happened. I mean, 1 minute it was beautiful. The next minute it went
was
like completely
stormy.
bonkers.
Yeah. No, the clouds were, the sky's completely covered with dark clouds, and we were like, oh my god.
That was so quick. And that boat, that small banka, is so difficult to operate, Trina.
Really?
It's
The pedal
awful.
boat?
Yeah. It's you can't turn really. It doesn't turn.
And it was so funny, whenever it was just me paddling, we literally were just like staying in one place. Like, it was useless.
Yeah, and then you guys heard it. We were like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
So funny.
We're like doing rhythmic workout. But
Yeah.
it's cool. Now it's lunchtime. Lunch is ready. Let's see what we're having.
Yeah.
You made it back. Your mom was not too heavy.
No, it's okay. But just the wind pushed us like the
sideways.
The missing. Yeah. But it doesn't look like far when we're here.
No, because the beach was over there, guys. The beach was over here. And see, it's not that far.
Actually, I'm not sure it's the same. But it smells like Thai red curry and vegetables, some kamote sweet potato, and then some pumpkin soup with white rice.
Right.
Give me some tissue, Julian. This has been our daily activity.
No, Julian, it's
Oh,
enough.
sorry. Yeah.
C'est pas un jouet.
And in case you don't know, here the food is really good. They're
want
really
some
good cooks, and you can tell them whatever you want to make. vegan, beef only, chicken only, shrimp only, mussel only, ketogenic diet, paleo diet, Filipino diet, whatever you want.
Go.
Whoa,
So,
look at
very, very
that!
cool.
Trina, you want to repeat for my vlog because Anna's vlogging too?
Yeah, so this is sticky rice cooked with a little bit of sugar, probably a lot because they're in the Philippines, and coconut milk. And what you do is you usually wrap it in some sort of banana leaf and it's transportable. Is that a word? Transportable?
Yeah,
like-
you can take it away.
You can take it away. This is what you usually see in the markets. If you see banana leaf wrapped, this is what this is.
Trina, is it good?
It
You
is
wanna try?
good. I'm gonna have it with a little watermelon. It's nice with fruit.
Anna, is it good?
I haven't tried it yet.
Anna is a famous Instagrammer. She takes pictures of her food. Anna is trying to make
Because
it
I
look
wanted
good.
it in a bowl.
You should take the blue background with the ocean. That's gonna look awesome. Alright, Anna is preparing her vlog to say how she likes it. How do you like it, Anna? There's this
haven't
annoying
tried it
French
yet.
guy keep asking her.
Trying sticky rice.
She's trying the sticky rice.
It has like more flavors than I thought it would. Like I thought it would do just like sticky rice, like that's it. But it's like it has layers of flavor.
I feel like there's a clove in there or something. Like not a cinnamon, but some sort of dry spice that I can't pinpoint. It's not just coconut milk and sugar.
And there is rice.
On my way. The expert.
Alright guys, so this concludes our crazy adventure kayaking here. I did not expect the weather to go like that, and neither did I expect that Bengal to be like so unstable. I thought it would be way more stable, seeing that it has two kind of buoys to balance on each side, but nope, not at all. So the weather is back amazing right now. And you know what? I'm gonna thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna ask you to leave a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave us a comment below if you've ever had one of this experience. And remember, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe because 12 countries, 12 months. We're in the Philippines right now. Next one is going to be Thailand. It's gonna be incredible. But before that, we have a few other Filipino things we want to share with you. So see you in the next episode. And remember, make the most of your time on this planet. You never know if there will be a tomorrow or not. Bye bye.